I love seeing the place looking beautiful, aesthetically appealing to our guests. This is their first impression into the airport, and the first thing they're going to see is when they land on the taxiway or the runway, they're going to see that grass out there. We're responsible for keeping that. We're responsible for the interior plans. We create that impact, that first impression, and we wanted to say, welcome to Houston. This is what we're about.
During the summer, we mow. We mow a lot. 95% of our time is gonna be mowing. Grass does not stop growing. We cut about 5,700 acres landside and airside. If you think of it as a scale, you can put Hobby Airport and our North Complex, just for a size comparison. Our job's important because of some of the FAA regulations. We can't have grass so high, pilots can't see signs. Animals will consider nesting there, so we do have to make sure it's below a certain level.
We do it as a team, so it's not no one individual job duty for anybody. We all work together. We always make sure we try to hold each other up and hold each other accountable.
It's just nice being out here, man. It's a great environment. I'm just passionate about, the people and the teamwork, and I like cutting grass. I like being on tractors and stuff. We make sure the roads are clear. We clear the ditches, ditch gates off. Anything on the AOA, pretty much we handle. Except major spills. We don't do major spills.
They're dedicated, they go above and beyond, and it shows. We can tell, we see their work every day. The airport's clean, the roadways are clean, our grass is mowed, we're looking good. My hope for every passenger passing through Houston, or if you're coming home to Houston, is that your stress levels will go down once from the time you land to the time you walk through our beautifully decorated airports.